Hello, traders. Today started with a sharp drop in the index due to worse than expected inflation data. On the daily chart, there was a trigger above the higher low of the second entry long. This provided plenty of fuel for sellers. Many stop losses were triggered below setups for purchases against the all-time high. At market open, there was a moment of uncertainty, and I thought a trading range might form, but instead, a rising trend was noticeable. Unfortunately, there weren't many clear entry points. I managed to catch this higher low, but unfortunately, I didn't record it. After breaking out of the trend, the price didn't test a new high but formed a large downtrend. Before I saw this, I managed to take a great setup for intermediate traders.